Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the shop. Got a handyman job here. One of the guys at work drives a Ford, and unfortunately, this 3-valve cylinder head has had a valve come apart and do a little damage to it. But I think we can salvage this thing. Mainly the rollers on the cam, the overhead cam. One of them had flat spotted and locked up, and then the lash cap got off and it knocked the valve open, and piston hit it, and here we are. So everything else on this head looks to be good except for the one valve here that seems to have a custom profile to it. So what I've been asked to do is to clean up the seat and put this thing back together again. But the one trick to this, as you can see some scoring in these cam bores. Ultimately, that probably wouldn't really hurt anything. Just be more place for oil. But I'd like to make it a little less than it is. So I'm going to attempt to see if I can find a burnisher I got the right size to do this with, and maybe burnish those holes, see if I can clean them up a little. So let me see if I got the tooling for that, and I'll bring you back. Well, I don't have a reamer that size, or an adjustable reamer. I've got English reamers. These are metric bores. So since I don't have an adjustable one, I don't have a burnisher. We might come back and revisit this if he really wants to. I got another way I can do it, but I don't have the part here to do it with right now, so we'll go ahead and do this valve up, get that part done. Try a little freeze spray, see if this will help. That might not be the right guy. That's way undersized. Surely they don't expect you to drill it out after it's installed. But maybe. It's a hardened guide. Wouldn't think. I mean, I could see it reaming the size, but man, this is off like millimeters. Alright, so I would say don't get a Ford guide unless you want to have to do more machine work on it once you install it, because they're undersized by more than just a reamer's amount. Like, you would need to drill it out in order to make the valve fit. So I ordered one from Rock Auto and it fit right in there, the correct size. So what I do is grind this one seat here. Oh, got a nice seat ground in there. Check it with the lapping paste, make sure contact's good. Got a new valve stem seal. That's the Ford part number. New Ford valve spring, Beehive Racy. Well, thunderstorms knocked the lights out here, but I was able to get this back together anyway. So, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, I'll catch y'all later.